Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add transition in Instagram Reels. First you need to open the Instagram app on your phone. Then just swipe right to open the Instagram camera here and then find the Reels here and then just record and then go to your gallery here, add some videos from here and click on it, for example, and then click on the white next button. Here just click on the edit video on the left button corner, and here just find the space between the clips, just click on it, and here we can choose the transition. For example, we have here this and this, or this, for example, and then click button apply to all if you have more than one videos in your reels. And as can we see, we have here this icon for this transition, and you can just click on this icon and change the transition if you need, if you want, and then click done or apply to all if you want. For example, I click done, and here I have to transition. And as can we see, this is a simple method to do the transition here. And this all for today, all for this guide. Goodbye.